Alright, boys and girls, here's the second page of your review study guide, the very, very important study guide that will help you tomorrow. Hint, hint. Look at number 3. First of all, are they giving you the cubic units? Yes, you have a bunch of little cubes there. You can't see every single little cube, so there's many different ways that you could do this. Who wants to tell me the way that they did this problem? Who wants to help us out? Yes.
I did 3. I did the width. 3. Wait.
Okay, so you broke these up apart into 2 different solid shapes. Okay, so this top part right here, is that what you're explaining? Okay, so go ahead and tell us our width then. So right here.
3.
Exactly. Can you tell us our length? Yep. So this would be 4. And then how about our height? Do you know our height? You are absolutely correct. Okay? And so if I multiply all of those together, what do I get? 4 times 4 times 3. Anybody? Yes. Absolutely. Did anybody do this a different way? If you didn't get that, there's 48 cubic units right here. Write that down. Did anybody get 48 a different way? Think layers. Who did it the layers way? Who can explain the layers way? Yes.
I counted the top face of the square, and I split it in half, and it was 12. And then and then the cube had 4, and then the bottom one had 2, 4, 6, and then 6 times 12.
Okay, you're absolutely right. So another way that you can get 48 is you can count up all of these top layers right here. So what I'm kind of boxing in right here, that top layer is a grand total of 12. And that you know that there's 4 layers in that first part of the solid shape, which would get you to 48. How many cubes, whatever way you did it, how many cubes are in that bottom solid shape? How many cubes are in that bottom solid shape? Yeah? 20, okay? And what's 48 plus 20, everybody? There's your answer, 68 cubic units. Does anybody have any questions on number 3? All right, look at number 4. Let's go ahead and split this. I'm going to use yellow again because it kind of shows up pretty good. Raise your hand if you split this solid shape just like I did right here. Fantastic. All right, who wants to give me the length, the width, and the height of the very top solid shape? Yes. Stop right there. You are absolutely right. The length is 17. Good job. Keep going.
The height is 5.
Stop. The height, you are absolutely right, is right here. 5 inches. Keep going.
The width is 10.
And the width happens to be 4. If I multiply those together, who can tell me what 17 times 5 times 4 is? Yes? 340 cubic inches. Good job. 340. If you don't have that, write it in on your paper right now. 340 inches with a teeny tiny little 3. I should see everybody's pencils moving right now. Good job. So I like how a lot of you showed your work. Fantastic. Yes, sir, in the back with your hand up. You want to answer the bottom part? All right, buddy, help us out.
The length is 5.
Okay. You're right, the length is 5.
The width is 4.
You're right, the width is 4. Keep going.
And the height is 15.
And the height happens to be 15. Good job. What'd you get when you multiplied all those together?
300.
Awesome, 300. And who can tell me what we do now? Because volume is additive, what do we do? Yes. Exactly. What happens when you add 340 plus 300, everybody?
640.
You're absolutely right. 640 cubic inches. Give me a thumbs up if you got this answer right. we're on a roll. You guys think you'll be okay on your test tomorrow? With this fantastic, awesome review that can help you out for the test tomorrow? For this very important test tomorrow? This very important review? Alright, number 5. There's one thing that I'd like you to do with number 5. Who could tell me one thing that you had to do with all of these numbers, even before you started? Who can help us out? Yeah.
You had to add the 2 heights it shows you.
Exactly. You guys see how there's like the freezer part and refrigerator part? Raise your hand if you have a refrigerator that looks like this. Well, they're trying to trick you because they're giving you the height right here, and they're saying the height of this freezer part is 2 feet, but then this refrigerator door is 4 feet. You kind of got to smash them together, and if you put 4 and 2 together, that gets... Exactly. So the height would actually be 6. They do give you your other 2 measurements. Who can tell me the width? What would the width be? Yes?
2 feet.
You're absolutely right. 2 feet. And what would the length be? Who can tell me the length? Who would like to tell me the length? Yes?
3 feet.
Yep, good job. 3 feet. Who can tell me what you get when you multiply 3 feet by 2 feet by 6 feet? What would your answer be? Yes?
The answer would be,
Yep.
6.
No? Yep.
36.
Exactly. This answer, it's not on my paper, but it's on yours. 36 cubic. Good job, feet. Any questions on the refrigerator? I kind of like that question. Ooh, all right, now for the big old warehouse or firehouse or whatever it is, right? I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to show you guys how to do it, splitting it this way. Raise your hand if you split it the same, if you split it the same way. Awesome. Who wants to give me the length, the width, and the height? Any brave souls in here? Same hands up every single time. Who can give me the length, the width, and the height? Yes, you, sir. Go ahead. What's the length?
30 feet.
22. Good job. What is the width?
20.
Good job, 20. What is the height?
19 feet.
9. Good job. If we take 22 by 20 by 9, what do we get?
3,916.
Oh, fantastic job. 3,960. Raise your hand if you got that one correct. 3,960. If you don't have that, write it down on your paper right now. All right, I'm looking for some brave students that would like to help me out with the bottom layer of this building. Who thinks they can do the bottom layer? Yes, help us out.
The length is 30.
The length is 30. You got that right. Good job. Keep going.
The width is 20.
The width is 20. You're absolutely right.
And the height is 10.
And the height is 10. Good job. If I take 30 times 20 times 10, what do I get?
30 times 20 is 600.
Okay.
And
times that 600 by 10? That's 0?
is 6,000.
Good job. 6,000 plus 3,960. Who can figure that one out? Yes, you in the back. Good job. 9,960 cubic. Good job. Anybody have questions on this second page of the review? Alright, well make sure that you guys really study this and you did another fantastic job.